Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am the Ontario Landscaper. Today we got a bit of a different kind of day. As you see, I did drive this truck back in. But my buddy seen me driving and he said he knows somebody who has something that could help us out with the stone job we've been doing. So we're going to get the truck loaded up. And we're going to go check it out. But we will head down to a buddy's property, I guess his friend's property, and we will go check out what they have. But I will probably just jump over there, so we will meet you guys down at the property and see what he has in store for us. Apparently he said he'll let it go fairly cheap, so this is good for us. Alright guys, we are just pulling up to the house here now. I'm gonna stop and talk to the guy and see where we are going to go look at this. So we walk up to the house here. Alright guys, so he says it's just behind the shop, so we'll get driving over there. See, it is the end of harvest season, so he has nothing here right now, which works out for us. He says it's just behind the shop. I don't really see anything, but I guess we'll jump out of the truck and take a gander around. Set it up so we see a little better without a flashlight. We'll still use it, but so we'll walk around here. I don't see anything that looks like it could be a truck. We'll just walk around here, maybe right back. Oh! There it is. It's nice old International. Oh, I think we can make something like this work. It's got no box or anything on it, but is it 1800 it says? Yeah. A little rusty, but I think my friend has a cab for it I could probably buy off him. But the frame looks in really good shape. And tires look in good shape. Nice beefy tires. Overall, not that bad of a shape. Maybe we'll see how much he wants for it. Climb up here and take a better look. I definitely think we can make this work, guys. Like, roof's not rotted or anything. So maybe we can save the cab. You sand it down and fix it. See if she starts up. Come on, girl. No, she's not firing up. But that could be something simple. He said he did put new batteries in it, and hopefully it would start for us, but clearly not. At least there's power. I'm going to go up to the house and see what we can do. Alright guys, get up to the house here. I'm going to talk to the owner and see what deal we can make. As you see, we bought it for $4,500. I think that's a steal. He said he did originally wanted like 8 for it, but I got him talked down because it wasn't running. So I guess we got ourselves a new truck, so I am going to go pick up the trailer and something to load it up with. Alright guys, I'm back at the farm. As you see, I got the trailer and the skid steer from the job. So we are going to try to use the skid steer to load this truck up. Let's unstrap it here. And per usual, I forgot to put the ramp down, so I'll run back over and put that down. Get it warming up here anyways. We'll drop the ramp and I guess we'll start the pushing. Guys, let's jump in and get going. Hey guys, see I'm behind the machine truck here in the skid steer. We're gonna try to push it up on the trailer. I think I should have bought something a little bigger. But we did fill up the tanks with air, so we got the brakes off for now. We're gonna sit here and try to push it even if it takes us hours. Come on. I should have brought the forks with me. That's something I did not think about. But it's still something we can work around. Come on, baby. Get up there. We are slowly getting it pushed, but it's not going as quickly as I wanted, but this is pretty small skid steer compared to this big truck. I can even see where we are. Okay, there we go. So I think I'm probably just gonna have to readjust the trailer maybe, because I can't exactly steer and push at the same time. But yeah, I'm just gonna adjust the trailer, and then we'll keep pushing. Alright guys, you see I adjusted the trailer, the truck's straightened on the ramp. We'll just have to kind of guide the rear end which way we want it to go as we push. But overall, I think it's not coming out too bad. Come on. This little kubota here is actually handling this international not too bad. Come on. Just gotta get it up there a little bit more. Come on, girl. You can do it. We're almost there. We'll need to fix up the front and there. I'll probably push it over with the bucket. Come on. We're almost there. Just kind of thought this is probably going to be one wild ride with this truck too. Maybe we should have brought the Ford. Oh well. This Ford is a bit heavier truck than that dump, but I think we should get back okay after we get this on. But we're still pushing here. We're trying to get it on. Just gonna go fix up that front end. And we'll just gotta push it a little bit further on so we can get the ramp closed. But overall, I think we got this thing pretty much loaded. Yeah, let's go push it over. Try to just get the rim there without breaking anything. There we go. Got that on there. Comes around and push her the rest of the way on. We got to push this rear end over a little bit too. But nothing we can't handle. Same thing, just gonna push up with the bucket, get her on the trailer a little bit better, push her the rest of the way on. We can probably go home. We'll have to clearly come back for the skid steer, but that's something we can do later on. So we got it pushed on, centered anyways, gotta finish rolling it forward. Then we'll be good to take this thing back, and I'll call my buddy and see if he can get it running, and another buddy to see if he can start the paint. At least help me get it done anyways. Get it pushed up here a little bit further. Come on. You can do it. I believe she is on. Could probably go a little bit further. Yeah, we can go a little bit further. Come on, a little bit further. Ooh, that was close. Busted the window out of the skid steer. That wouldn't have been good. Probably $300 to replace that. I think that's probably good enough. No. I just need to get this further up. Tailgate's gonna hit it for sure. Alright, she is on. We'll go take the skid steer to the road to go pick up. And then I think that should be it. We'll start heading back. Get a couple straps on here before we go maybe. Alright guys, I got the skid steer at the road. Truck running, lights going. Throw on the straps now. And hope for the best. An extra one in the middle there. Can't have too many straps, you know. We'll fold up the gate. Alright guys, we're back here at the shop. We're going to get unloaded. On the way here, I did call the guy that's renting the spot from us. He did say we could use his backhoe to pull this off, or at least get it off. And push it, pull and push. A little bit more stronger than our kubota payloader, so we're definitely going to use that. Get unhooked here, and yet again, me being me, I forgot to lower the ramps again. So I guess after we get it unstrapped, we'll jump back in the truck and lower the ramps and jump in the backhoe. Let me get the door open here first. It seems to be good. Yeah, I think we'll be able to pull it off with the backhoe and then maybe push it in afterwards. I'm going to drop this ramp here. Alright guys, so we got the backhoe here. We are going to try to pull it off anyways. At least to the point where maybe we can push it the rest of the way. Sorry about that. We'll reach up here and kind of grab it by the tire and see if we can pull the tire off. We'll try to grab it from frame. No, we'll probably have to do it from the tire maybe. We'll try from wherever we can reach it without moving the machine. Get a little bit towards us. Come on. Come on. Let go of it. Maybe I'll try grappling from the wheel. We gotta buy a new wheel, oh well. Reach down, grab this wheel, kind of curl the bucket, try pulling it towards us. There we go, we got her moving. Nope, the machine moving too. It's a heavy truck. Fold this back up. Move ahead. And pull a little bit further off again. But overall, for $4,500, I think that's kind of a steal for the truck. Alright, come on. Ooh. Alright, come on. So we got at least on the ramp anyways. I think maybe we'll try pushing it from here. Get it reached over and on the truck. I think we're just going to try pushing it. At least get it off the trailer, at least get maybe the back wheels on, lock the brakes, and drive forward. Maybe we'll push it right off, who knows. So raise this up. Kind of get that pushed over. Oops. That was fairly easy. We should have just pushed it from the start. Alright, so we're going to back up, try to get it from a different angle, push it the rest of the way off. Then we will probably call that a day, well, video anyways. Get this put back, trucks off. I'll probably get it in the shop off camera, 'cause it's already pretty long video already. So we'll get this put back. Get that part. Pet the old pupper dog. You see he just walked down the road and come see me at the shop. So we got the truck parked. We're going to push this in the shop off screen. Then I'll get the door open for now. Get this turned off. But thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe if you like my videos. Have a good one. Keep on keeping on.